Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials.
For today's project, I'm going to show you how to personalize your own mug. This project is perfect for beginners. My design is ready to go. I'll put it in the maker and let it do its cutting. If you're not sure how to make your own design in Design Space, don't forget to check out some of my other videos where I walk you through that step by step. For today's project, you're going to want to make sure that you use permanent vinyl. Just weed out the parts you don't want. Attach on a piece of transfer paper a little bit bigger than your design and stick it down. When you get your cup, you're going to want to prep it before you put on your vinyl. So just take one of these little alcohol pads and just clean the whole surface before you stick on your design. So one of the hardest parts of putting a design on a cup is making sure that it is in the right place. So what I did for this is I actually measured it out and I put a little piece of transfer paper on because it's easy to pull off and it's not going to damage the cup. So what I'm going to do is I'll align the top of my text with that little marker, and that's going to help me know where to put it. So take your time in lining up your design. And once you're happy with it, go ahead and stick it on. It's easiest to push from the middle and then work your way out to the edges. Go ahead and take your scraper. You're going to want to make sure you get every single spot so it's really good and stuck. Carefully pull off the transfer tape. And the cup is done. Make sure you let this cure for 3 days before you use it.
Thanks for joining me for this episode of Cricut Time. If you liked this video, remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Videos come out twice a week with project ideas and tutorials on how to do all things Cricut.